तो हम अब इसमें नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेंगे, ये है स्टेप ग्रेड्स जंक्शन में। ये कह रहा है कंसीडर ए जंक्शन इन विच देयर इज एन abrupт changes from a expector ion on one side to donor ions on the other side, such as a junction in format expresses mentally n-type germanium and heating the combination to a high temperature for a short time, such as a step grade junction, is called an alloy or fusion junction. Fusion junction. So this is the PN junction, so be the connected very high temperature. In this case of a step, value of it is the such as some of the incaesium dissolved into the germanium to change the germanium from N to P type at a junction. Such a step grade junction is called an alloy. A step grade junction is also formed between the emitter base of integrated transistor. It is not necessary the concentration of Na of the expector ion and concentration Nd of the donor impurity. Expector ions and donor impurity. As a matter of fact, it is the often advantage to have an unsymmetrical junction. The charge density as a function of distance from an alloy junction in which the expector impurity density is assuming to be much larger than the donor concentration, since the net charges must be zero, then NaWp is equal to NdWn. This is the value of an expector of ions is greater than donor expector ions. The Wp less than Wn is equal to W. This is the dk square V upon dx square is equal to Q Nd upon epsilon. The dV upon dx minus k Q and dvx, and W is equal to minus ke. तो Q is equal to Q and d Wa. तो V इज इक्वल टू माइनस के क्यू एन डी टू एप्सिलॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस के टू डब्ल्यू एक्स इज इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू, तो बी बाई जे इज इक्वल टू जंक्शन बेरियर इज द जंक्शन बेरियर इज इक्वल टू क्यू एन डी डब्ल्यू स्क्वायर अपॉन टू एप्सिलॉन. तो जंक्शन बैरियर पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू बी नॉट माइनस के बी डी. तो सी टी इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन ए अपॉन डब्ल्यू. दिस इज द डब्ल्यू इज द सेपरेशन बिटवीन टू प्लेट डिस्टेंस. तो सी टी इज द कैपेसिटर इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन ए अपॉन W के साथ. तो हमें इसमें इतनी सारी चीजें मिलती हैं. तो ये हमारे पास जो फॉर्मूला ड्राइव होता है dW अपॉन dj, it is the interesting to note that this formula explicitly, which is the parallel plate capacitor of area A square meter and plate separation W meter containing a material of the permeability is epsilon. If the concentration Na is the not neglected, the above result modified slightly represented by two space charges with 1 upon Nd is replaced by 1 upon Na plus 1 upon D remains valid is the minus k Pw upon minus k plus Kwa is the separation between two plates distance. The charge density variation as a distance at a linearly grade PN junction. Okay, thank you very much.